Okay, so it's definitely getting colder now, and a lot of people that have bought new stoves through the summer or have had them for years are starting to get them up and running for winter again. So we're just going to do a quick tutorial on the best way that we use in the showroom to clean the glass. There's a couple of different options. There are products available that you can buy, that you can spray onto the glass and you can clean it that way. You can buy handy little tools like this one with an abrasive side and a soft side, just like a sponge that you can use to clean the glass. But like I say, in the showroom we tend to follow this method. So it's just using the ash that's already in your stove. I have a pre-moistened kitchen towel here, and what you do is you just dip the wet kitchen towel into the fine ash that's left in your stove after it's burnt through. Put something down underneath the door just to catch anything that falls, and then rub that over the glass, and it creates kind of like a soapy substance that cleans all the soot off the door. Get it nice and messy, and then once you've done that, pop that in there, get you a nice dry piece of kitchen roll and just polish it up. And then once all the smears have gone, you've got a nice clean door.